my garden tour. My grass needs to be cut. The lawnmower man didn't show up today. But anyway, this is my garden. This was a hillside, and when I built the house, there was no topsoil where they graded off, and this hillside had nothing but ridges, and the lawnmower man could not mow the grass, he said, because of all the ridges. So I started just getting small plants or trees and putting extra brick around them. Started out with several small things, and eventually over the past 5 years it has just kindly joined into one big concrete circle. So anyway, I have lots of different flowers and trees and bushes and things on the hillside, and now they don't have to mow the hillside, and I don't have the ridges. So this is just my little circle. A rose bush needs to be clipped. Okay, and then this is the pathway going down to my house. A little mint garden here. Probably need some mulch or something in there, or more gravel. I think my grandchildren have taken up all the gravel. But anyway, this goes down the pathway to my mimosa tree. And I just planted some things in this old wheelbarrow yesterday, so I've not really had time to grow yet. I will move them out in the sun a little later. But anyway, this is my arbor going down my path to my home. I have all kinds of lamb's ear and daylilies and rose bushes and buttercups and everything. I just took up a bunch of creeping Jenny right through there because it was just overtaking, and the grass and stuff was getting in it and I couldn't separate it, so I just pulled up the Jenny. So anyway, this goes to my house, to my back porch, and I have my actual garden on my porch in pots because I have so many bunny rabbits. And then I have 2 raised garden beds like this, one on each side of the house. Little concrete table there. So that's basically that. Then I go down the other side of my house. Mostly have succulents there because they don't get as much water and sun as the other part of the house. This cactus is beautiful when it blooms, but it's bloomed out for this year, I think. Then the front porch. And I love my double flowers there, but they're about to bloom out too. This is beautiful in the spring, but it's currently overgrown right now. Had some snakes in there last year, so I won't let them get in there right now. When I moved, I built my second raised garden bed. I moved this little lilac tree up here, but it seems like it's going to make it. Of course, this is down my tree line of my yard. There again, this grass has got to be cut tomorrow by one way or another. And my grapevine is right over there. I have a compost bin behind it. It's got all kinds of trees and bushes over there that I still have to do something with. I'm allergic to poison sumac, and it's all over the place over there. So anyway, so this is my second raised garden bed on the other side of the house. I have tomatoes and spinach and different things there underneath my deck, and just little bushes under the double deck here. And I love this. It's growing up on my deck, as you can see. There's all kinds of stuff. It does look much better when my grass is cut, I must say. Still got lots to do. And that tree, I've had the June bug, so you can see the sevin dust on there, but I need to clip those roses. And going up to the garden deck, I like the primitive decor, so little things everywhere. Little planters. I had my red romaine in that. And this is my little potting shelf with my herbs. Different herbs through there. And a little table, and of course sage over there. And just different things everywhere. Another thing of kale there. Succulents, I love succulents. Herbs, strawberries. I have zucchini and squash in the barrel. There's a zucchini that I haven't got off yet today. I've got some squash off of this. I've got some tomatoes growing there. I've got peppers off of that one. Looks like I've got a weed I need to get out, but I don't need any more weed. Anyway, there's one of my raised beds. And peppermint for my tea. And that is my garden tour.